Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how you can blur pictures on your iPhone without having to download any other apps. It is super simple. You don't need to adjust anything. You're just going to pull down on like the notification sort of bar down like up here, and then you're just going to adjust the blur of the picture and then take a screenshot of the picture. Select the screenshot, and I'm just going to crop the sides. Then I'm going to press down and press save to photos. And if I just go to photos and go down here, I would have had the blurred picture saved on my phone without going to any other apps and adjusting the photo. It is that simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.